Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is top loading washing machine, Midea brand, 7 kg. It is model wise MTE70GP. This is model fully automatic washing machine. This machine having problem actually while customer using. Two steps are going on. Water take into the machine and also machine starting to wash. After that draining also. After that is not next step. That's mean spin cycle not completing. That means spin cycle not coming. Because of that, this one we have to repair. This one actually problem. Now machine working two steps. That mean wash cycle working. That means when we are selecting direct spin working, and only the step by step going at that time only not spinning. Because of that, now we know the problem. This one 100% problem with the main control board. Because of that, we have to repair the main control board. Otherwise we have to replace the main control board. First of all, we remove the main control board and we will check. Going to remove the main control board. We will remove here. Two screws are here. Now we can take it up like that. Now you can see here, this one we have to remove the control board. Now we know the problem actually it is water taking and cut off it through the pressure sensor. Also machine starting. That means everything perfect. Motor, no need to check motor. Also pressure sensor and inlet valve. Only the problem with the main control board. Because of that only I'm going to remove the main control board. Actually I check this machine while we are selecting direct spin cycle, direct spinning. That's mean drain motor also okay. I will show you direct spin cycle also. I can show you, but step by step going. At that time only this one not working. Now I will show you direct spin cycle here. This is power button. Also here we can select direct spin. Now I will start the machine. I have to close the door. The 8 minutes showing. Now you can hear the noise, drain pump. Now you can see here, it is direct spinning, but step by step going with the program, any program. After selecting any program, spin not working. Because of that only we collected machine from the customer house. Now you know here direct spin cycle is working. Now I will shut down the machine. Also remove the power control box. I already disconnect the power. Now I will remove harness assemble from the control board. Now you can see here, this one step by step going. At that time only not getting, not coming spin cycle. Because of that, now we have to repair this machine control board. Sorry, this control board we have to repair, but it is not easy job. But this customer also very hurry. Because of that, what I'm going to do. Now this one with the original panel, that's mean Midea brand. This one same MTC 70 GP full automatic washer. This is the control board. Now what I'm going to do, this control board having problem, that means it's not step by step, 3 steps are not going continuously. That means wash, spin and rings. Here button power switch on off, and here having a program button and delay button, also water level button. Here function was rings and spin. This function only 1 2 3 4 5 6, but this PCB I'm not able to fix because now this one having problem. That's mean spin steps not going up, because of that not realizing spin while washing time, and rings after that spin will go, but that spin step not realizing. Because of that having problem with this machine, this board. Because of that what I'm going to do, this board, actually this is, I will remove and show you. This one Super General, you can see here, Super General brand HGW720. That one also Posi Logic. This one 7 kg machine, but program selector buttons are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 buttons are here, but control board as same, harness assemble everything same. That's mean Midea and Super General, all the spare parts are same. I know about that. Because of that, now I can fix this board to the Midea machine. Harness, you can see here this board, harness as same harness, connectors also same. I can fix like that. Same control board, only the problem this board having selector switches, otherwise buttons are more. Now you can see harness as same, no any issue. Now if I'm fixing this board, we have to fix Super General front panel also. That one also it's same, we can fix without any problem. Only the things we have to explain to the customer, because this customer very hurry, he need immediately this machine. Because of that, now I will show you. This one no any issue, no any problem, we can fix nothing, as same, no any problem. This board and this front panel both are same. Because of that we can fix Super General board to the Midea machine. Now I'm going to fix this one, and we will check if it is working or not. Now I will give the power connection again. I'm going to select direct spin cycle here. Now I already given power connection. Now I'm going to select spin cycle, only the spin cycle. That means it will come here, third button. This one spin cycle, but I have to cancel. If I'm selecting direct spin, I have to cancel all this wash cycle, also ring cycle also we have to cancel, and spin we need. Also water level also no need. That one also we can cancel. It's nothing to worry. Actually, it will be. It's okay now. It is through the display. It's showing 8 minutes. Now I will start the machine. Now you can hear the noise. Drain pump, drain motor, clutch assemble, everything is catching. Now it will start spin cycle, because we know motor, inlet valve, pressure sensor, everything are perfect without any problem. Now you can see this control board is okay, no any issue. Now we can fix this one, and I will complete the job Before completing, we will give the water connection and everything, and we will check if it is step by step. All 3 steps are going well. That means wash, rinse and spin. All 3 steps are going together. We can hand over to the customer and we will fix and check. I will shut down the machine again. I have to block the here harness. Now I can fix this one. Super General board. I already informed to the customer. Now I am fixing Super General control board with the panel for the Midea machine. Now it's okay. You can see here, dear friends. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. Now I will give the water connection and we will check one cycle. Now I already given water connection, power connection, everything. Now it's Midea machine. It's running with the Super General brand control board with the panel. Now I'm selecting also rings one and also we spin water level 1 to 1 2 2. Now it's showing here remaining time is showing 10 minutes. Now we can check quickly. Now you can see machine already getting start. Motor clockwise and anti-clockwise from the beginning it should work. Now water taken to the machine. Now still taking water. You can see I selected only the 1 to 2. That means small quantity of water. Now if it is automatically it's getting cut off water line, that means pressure sensor, everything perfect. Still taking water. Now water already got stopped. That means pressure sensor, everything perfect. The control board is okay. Now machine running well. Now I have to close the door, otherwise error message will show. Now we can check after draining water, machine should spin. That means automatically it should run. We have to wait until that. Yes, now stop already, wash cycle. Now it should drain. You can see, dear friends, it is draining already water. Now we will check. It should start a spin cycle. After that our job will be complete. Now water already finished, it's already drained. Now it should start spin cycle. Yes, my dear, you can see here the machine already getting start spin cycle. That means no any problem with this control board, we can use without any problem. Now I can hand over to the customer. I already explained to the customer about the control board. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.